Okay, what am I doing? Okay, so what I need to do is, there's gonna be a 4-inch pipe, main pipe that's gonna run down this pipe chase, okay? So I'm just looking at my parameters here, I'm not gonna slope any piping in this area, okay? I mean, it's 2 inches, right? Meaning if I slope this at 1/8, so that's gonna be, what's that, 17 times 1/8. So that, get your calculator out. So anyway, so that is not sloped. So what I'm gonna do is, let me back this guy up. So I'm using my arrow key to just kind of nudge. And the reason this may or may not work is because sometimes it works in plan view. If you're using a mouse, I'm gonna go back. I'm using a mouse, and when I right click on this to draw my pipe and select which system, see over here, diameter 1.5, it defaults to that. So I'm using my mouse's wheel. Okay, so there's a wheel on a mouse that you're scrolling, right? And I don't know why it defaults to 1.5, but what I do is, and I don't know what your method would be, but for me, to get rid of the 1.5 and to default to the size coming off the back of this water closet, I'm just pushing my wheel down. I'm not scrolling it, right? I'm scrolling it now, but I'm pushing it down. I just pushed it down and it goes to 4 inches. Okay, so let's do that again, right? So let's do this one. Let's do this one, right? So let's go here. Let's right click, draw a pipe, 4 inch. We're gonna choose the 4 inch, right? And say okay to that. And Revit defaults to 1.5. And because it does that, I'm gonna push my wheel, right? So when I push my wheel, it goes to 4 inches. Okay, and there's no slope, PVC, and we continue system type. I'm gonna just leave that right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. Okay, so now that we got that, okay, go here, push, no slope, right, and go here. Now the fun starts, right? Because I don't know if it's going to work in plan or if I'm going to have to go to, what happened? I'm running my mouth, that's what happened. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Now. Yeah, okay. So let's see if these line up. Let's just, I'm gonna unpin these. I think, I'm gonna unpin these because these are pinned, and maybe if these are not pinned, which I'm sure will help to get rid of the uncertainty, I guess, of whether or not it's gonna work. Let's see, that one's pinned, that one is not pinned, and the reason I'm not selecting more than one is because this water closet is not pinned, right? This water closet is pinned. So if I choose both of these, what is Revit gonna tell me? Tells me that this one is pinned. You see that? So if I choose all of these, why don't I do that and see what happens? So these 3 are pinned, but I want to unpin them, and these 3 are unpinned. So I want to keep these unpinned. So what do? So what you do, you unpin, or you can pin all of them because they're all selected. This is saying that this pipe is pinned to the plumbing fixture. Okay, so I'm gonna unpin everything. Okay, now let's get back to the problem at hand. So what I'm gonna do is align that pipe with that pipe, and I want to go to my section view so bad because these fixtures should be they should be at a level elevation. Okay, from level 1. Let's do elevation from level 2. Elevation from level 2 and elevation from level 2. Okay. So let's just that's our main pipe, huh? Shift arrow down below the floor. Somewhere right there. Okay, so why don't we do the same? We align in the vertical plane, right? Now, I mean, we can do that. So I guess your fixtures have to be. So now that we have in both planes, plan view and in section view, horizontal and vertical, everything should be aligned, right? So if I go here, I should get a clean fitting, and here I'm gonna get a fitting that would be not the combination. Okay, I'm checking here. Okay, now the fitting that I want it to default is this vent reducer. Okay, and let's say yes, yes, yes. Okay, so this is when it gets tricky. So if I go from here, this midpoint, down here, right here, and if I want to align my vertical with this horizontal pipe, so align one pipe to the other, right? Now that should be okay. I should be able to drag and fit right on. I like that. Now, the other problem, now that worked that time. Let's go here and go, where are we? Are we up here? Where are we? We're here. Okay, so I think let's go back to the section view and give us some more room. Just to give us some more room, more room to make that fitting. I'm gonna change the fitting to a combination Y and T. Okay, hopefully it will work. And okay, so we go up and we choose combination. So it worked. That's good. And so now let's the problem with that is okay, I'm gonna Okay, so we go here, here, go around, right? Go here. That's cool. We go here, and let's just do this process. I don't want to think about it too much. So we know what works, right? We know that that's gonna work, right? And go here, and if we remember, we're gonna align one pipe to the other and go to the section view and look at these guys, and we are going to align one pipe to the other. Okay, over here we are going to drag one pipe and fit it to the other pipe. That's our pipe that we need to connect to, right? Coming off of here. Okay, so we go back and you get a similar pipe from the midpoint. We go down, make that's our vent reducer, right? Okay, so again, we're going to do the same thing. We are going to align one pipe to the other, and let's go to our 3D view, right? So we go here, and this we didn't do the first time. On the first set, I don't know, the first these guys, this was the first fitting, the first example. Let's say the first example, we drug the pipe onto the fitting, right? The main pipe, right? We drug it from here down. Now let's see what happens doing the same thing. Well, not doing the same thing. We're gonna change it up a little bit. Okay, so let's see what happens in 3D view, right? So we go here, here, and yes, and go here, here, and we are going to combination there. Yes, so this looks like it's gonna get easier. So we go here, here, same thing, only this time we're going to use an elbow. Draw the pipe 4 inches. Okay, there's no slope. Okay, now you would think that we could, I'm going to try this and see if it fits. Okay, let's go to 3D view. Is that it? That's it. That's it. Let's go. Let's take a look. Okay, let's change it. Okay. Combination. All right, let's go back. Second level. This looks good. You see that? Let me undo that. Okay, so we go here and again do the same thing. 4 inches here. Okay, no slope. Take your time, and we're gonna do the same thing. Good, I'm glad that worked, because sometimes for some reason it doesn't work and nothing has changed. So I don't know why it does that. I'm gonna erase this, and just as the world turns, you know, we go here again, we choose same thing, and we go Wheel of Fortune there. Okay, here, and then we go, is this gonna work? Yes. Okay, one more time. Let's see if we can get a, was that a 3 in a row? Is that 3 in a row? Yeah, 3 in a row. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. All right. Okay, so we got those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we got 7 water closets, and I think that the next time, and this on the right side here, that's my vent, that's the vent riser. Let's go here. I think the next time we're gonna get the rest of the plumbing fixtures. Let's make sure that everything is good. Still got our vent being counted, and let's make sure that we got our water, our sanitary being counted, and in terms of fixture units, right? Okay, those fixture units determine the size of a pipe, and we know. I mean, it's anyway. So I think that I'm gonna stop here. Let's go second level. Second level. Okay. So yeah, that's the vent, and we're gonna get to that one of these days, because there's water coming in here. We gotta draw. There's another riser. Again, I need to connect all this stuff. Then we can go and label this. Where are we? Where are we? Second level waste. Second level waste. Second level. Second level. Okay, that's all we got. That's good. Okay. So have we got any? Let's see. Annotation tag. Water closet. Okay. Okay. Yeah, looks like our tags are doing pretty good. Let's do a free in. Yeah, we're good. Okay. And just double click on this. We'll straighten that out. Yeah. And this can go anywhere, you know. Okay. So, all right. So, I hope that helped, and I'll talk to you guys later.